Hello everyone. Hello students and also co-teachers. Welcome back to my channel. This is teacher Eman, and now we're going to discuss the last topic for trans network and critical thinking in the 21st century for senior high school. This is unit 7, neural and social networks. Okay, thank you very much sa lahat ng mga nakakapanood ng mga topics ko, mga discussions ko. And I'm so grateful na kahit paano may mga natutulungan ako ng mga estudyante and also co-teachers na nahirapan maghanap sa topic na ito. Sa totoo lang, when I was teaching this subject lang last year, kasi last year lang naman ako nakapasa ng board exam, so it's my first teaching experience for senior high school. Nahirapan din ako sa topic na ito, sa trends, kasi nga the books that was available hindi siya nakatugma dun sa curriculum guide. Kaya parang hirap na hirap ako gumawa ng teaching guide kasi nga parang ang layo. Kaya what I did na dahil nga syempre hindi ako nakapagturo this school year, dahil nga na-stroke ako, but good thing I'm okay na. So, nagkaroon ako ng time para hanapin yung laman or yung pwedeng ituro tungkol sa trends. And good thing, nahanap ko ito. So, I would like to give a shout out doon sa mga students and also co-teachers na kahit paano natulungan daw ng lecture ko, and I'm so thankful kahit paano pala may pakinabang pa rin mga nagagawa ko. So, shout out to Erasmus Titan, Mark Vincent Reyes, Llewellyn, Mel Escondo, Jessa Lacosta, John Lloyd Dormido, and Jericho Guevara. So, ayan. So, kung gusto niyo ng copy ng lecture ko, you can just message me sa aking messenger. Hanapin niyo lang yung Eman Bustamante. And sana meron kayong Gmail kasi medyo malaki yung size ng PowerPoint. Okay, now let's go to our topic. So this is neural and social networks. This is the last topic for trends. And under this, meron tayong connections, relationships, and networks. And then the neural and the social networks. Neural is a computer system modeled on the human brain and nervous system. Yung nervous system yung sa katawan ng tao natin, sa atin yun. So while social networking is the practice of expanding the number of one's business and or social contacts by making connections through individuals, often through social media sites such as, syempre ito yung mga meron tayo, di ba? We have Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Google+, and many more kasi marami na ngayong lumalabas sa social networking sites. So ito para medyo outdated pa, di ba? So neural networks, it is also referred to as connectionist system. These are computational approach which is based on the large connections of neural units or what we call the artificial neurons. They are loosely modeled the way a biological brain solves the problem with large clusters of biological neurons connected by axons. Ito na yung nervous system natin, as you can see in the picture. So, sa school naman, meron din tayong tinatawag na linkages and networking. So, the school can enjoy linkages and networking activities with international, national, and local organizations in the community for mutual benefits and assistance needed. So, we have linkages and networkings, magkaiba sila ng degree with regards to the commitment with the partners. Kasi nga, pagdating dito sa networks and linkages, we have the school, we have the family, we have the community, and also the partners. In linkage, the relationship between partner organization is quite loose, while in networking, it is much stronger, usually because the groups and agencies have common objectives and beneficiaries. Networking is basically extending the outreach of the resources in different ways so as to increase the effectiveness of the program. Ito kasing networking at saka linkages pagdating sa school, mostly nagagamit namin siya kasi nga nagturo ako before sa college. So, nagagamit namin siya kapag graduate ng isang estudyante. Kasi nga, kapag may job hunting, 'di ba? Kapag before mag-graduate ang mga college student, nag-i-invite kami ng mga companies na connected or para kahit paano may relationship siya sa school namin. So itong mga ito, tinitingnan na nila kung sino sa mga estudyante na pwede na nilang i-employ. Kaya malaki ang tulong ng mga networking at saka linkages pagdating sa eskwelahan. Okay, networks. A relationship structure wherein the members of the networks are able to share resources with one another. A network is composed of several institutions or consortium of several colleges of different universities that bind together for a common goal. Kasi nga, di ba, may mga universities tayo ng mga tinatawag natin sister schools. So, they work together to attain common objectives, undertake innovative practices, and update members regarding breakthrough in different disciplines. What are the different kinds of networks? So, we have human network, knowledge network, computer network, trade network, and also ecological network. Now, let's go with linkages. Linkages intends to serve members of both sides according to their respective needs, interests, and objectives. Create bonds together to solicit support and assistance for purposeful activities. Okay, now let's go with national and local linkages. It is established between universities and colleges offering identical degrees in which cross-enrollment for subjects needed for graduation is allowed. So, ito nga kasi nangyari na before yan sa amin na may mga estudyante na syempre nag-stop mag-aral, pagbalik nila bago na yung curriculum. So, the subjects na kailangan nila wala na doon sa school. So, minsan kailangan nilang mag-cross-enroll sa ibang university para makapag-aral sila o matapos sila yung subject na yun at makapag-graduate. Okay, it is also a joint resources that could be conducted by 2 or more universities depending on the field of expertise. Okay, we have here a diagram. So we have on the left side, meron tayong linkages. As you can see, di ba parang A to B. So A has a connection to B and B has a connection to A. So paano sila? Parang vice versa ang labas. Tapos C and D, ganun din. Pero pagdating sa network, as you can see, yung A, B, C, and D, lahat sila connected na sa isa't isa. Parang barkada na siya, di ba, kung network. So, sabi dito, networks can be considered as linkages if they link one network to another, creating a bigger network. Ito na nga yung nangyayari ngayon sa social media natin, di ba? Like for example, Facebook. Nagsastart ka lang sa isang kaibigan, tapos nadagdagan, tapos minsan yung kaibigan mo, naging kaibigan mo na rin, kaya ayan, lumalaki ang iyong network. The 3 main categories of linkages. So number 1, we have bonds. These are links to people based on the sense of common identity. So example dito is family, close friends, or people who share our culture and ethnicity. So may bonds tayo, di ba? Kaya kapag pumunta tayo sa ibang bansa, kapag alam mo Pilipino, medyo mas malapit sa'yo compared sa ibang bansa. Pero syempre, iba pa rin talaga, family talaga and close friends. Ito lang talaga yung medyo makapit na yung bonds. Okay, the second one, we have the bridges. These links that stretch beyond a shared sense of identity. So we have distant friends, colleagues, and associates. And then we have the linkages. So this links people of groups further up and down the social ladder. Kasi nga, di ba, for example, if you work in a corporate, di ba, syempre, if you're a simple employee, nasa baba ka, tapos minsan may nasa baba pa yung sa'yo, yung mga maintenance, pag nasa taas, syempre, yung mga manager, mga bosses, mga CEO. Social network. Social networking is a practice of expanding the number of one's business and or social contacts by making connections through individuals, often through social media sites such as, ayun na nga, we have the Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Google+. In US yung LinkedIn, medyo sikat siya, especially if you're looking for work. Based on the 6 degrees of separation concept, the idea that any two people of the planet could make contact through a chain of more than 5 intermediaries. Social networking established interconnected online communities, sometimes known as social graphs, that help people make contacts that would be good for them to know but they would be likely to have met otherwise. Okay, what is 6 degrees of separation? Parang ganito yon. Diba, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maaring ito ka, ito kilala mo, pero there will come a time na ito kilala niya, pwede mo rin makilala. Ito kilala niya at pwede mo rin makilala hanggang sa pang-6 na degree. So ayun yung connection natin. Kaya di ba nangyari nga sa Facebook na minsan pag check natin sa Facebook, makikita mo, wow, may mutual friend pala kami. Tapos out of nowhere, di ba, parang inad ka lang niya kasi nakita niya yung friend niya, friend mo din. Tapos pagtingin niya, ay, tapos yung iba nga dyan, baka dyan pa nagkakaroon pa ng mga magiging boyfriend, girlfriend because of 6 degrees of separation. So depending on a social media platform, members may be able to contact any other members. In other cases, members can contact anyone they have a connection to, and subsequently, anyone that contact has a connection to, and so on. Some services may require members to have a pre-existing connection to contact other members. Kaya ito, importante yan kasi minsan, di ba, for example, I need help sa bahay, kailangan ko, for example, ng mekaniko, wala akong kilala. Di ba, minsan naghahanap ka sa mga kaibigan mo, tapos sila, may i-refer sila. So, ayun yung nagiging 6 degrees of separation natin. Tapos, minsan itong taon to, for example, you need another help. Maaring yung taong nyo, maaring may ibigay pa sa iba pang tao. So, nagkakaroon kayong connection, kaya lumalaki ang network mo. So, while social networking has gone on almost as long as societies themselves have existed, the unparalleled potential of the web to facilitate such connections has led to the exponential and ongoing expansion of that phenomenon. In addition to social media platforms, the capacity of social interactions and collaborations is increasingly built into business applications. So, totoo lang, di ba, ngayon, especially pandemic, talagang ang ginagawa na ngayon ng mga, especially mga housewives, 'di ba? Is nag-online business at saka malaki ang tulong ng social networking with regards to online business kasi nga nagkakaroon tayo ng communication pagdating sa ibang tao hindi natin kilala kasi ang ibang nga, di ba, sasabihin natin please share my video kasi nga, di ba, gagawin mo Facebook live, i-share nila yon tapos mga ibang friends nila na hindi ka kilala, maaaring maging potential customer mo na or potential buyers. Okay, we have global social media analytics. So before running through the top 10 social media apps, here are the some existing data for you to agree on the global influence of the internet and social media in 2020. So pasensya na, 2020 pala available dito. So the world population daw is 7.715 billion. Mobile phone users, we have 5.112 billion. Internet users, medyo mababa. We have 4.388 billion. And social media users, we have 3.484 billion. So, okay, now let's go to the top 10 popular social media apps in 2020. So this is as of last year. So syempre, alam natin na pagdating sa social media apps, nagbabago-bago yan. Diba? Yung trend yan talaga. Ngayon sikat yan. Tapos, mawawala siya, mapapalitan. Pero yung idea ng social media, hindi yung mawawala sa trends natin. So, for 2020, ito na yung mga sikat. Okay, the first one, of course, we have the Facebook. So, Facebook has the highest user base that is steadily active. Facebook controls the world with its limitless potentials and multiple features. Ngayon nga, di ba may mga bagong feature na ang Facebook kung pwede ka na magbenta. Ngayon nga, pwede ka na rin maghanap ng work. Di ba? Kaya ang dami ngayon. Tapos alam ko ngayon, nagko-connect na rin ang Facebook sa iba't ibang mga application. Kaya magandang gamitin ang Facebook. Kaya nagiging number 1 siya. Noon, nung estudyante pa ako, ang sikat noon is Friendster. Kaya lang, because hindi masyado nag-prosper ang Friendster, napalitan siya nitong Facebook. The second one, we have Instagram. So, Instagram stands as another best social media app design that has become the sensation in its initial stages itself. Instagram has millions of users throughout the globe, which is increasing every day. Instagram is introducing new development to engage and increase the user base. So kapag magaling ka sa mga pictures, ganyan, mostly ginagamit na rin ito sa mga businesses sa pag nagsiselling ka, online selling. Okay, number 3, we have Twitter. So, image for post. Twitter is a recognized real-time public microblogging network. Users can stay up to date with this app. Twitter is also a suitable platform for customer service. And sa ngayon, pagdating sa news, mas madali makakuha ng news sa Twitter kasi talagang up to date siya compared sa Facebook. Number 4, we have Pixalive. So Pixalive is India's first ever social networking app. Ayan, so it is an all-in-one app with so many features under a single umbrella. At most, all the apps consumes time and memory. But this app has a feature of so many apps standing as a replacer for many apps. Okay, mukhang maganda siya. This app seems to be a complete package of social media. Kaya lang, hindi natin masyado ginagamit itong Pixalive sa Pilipinas, diba? So maybe, try ko rin siya maybe later kung anong itsura niya. Okay, number 5, ito na. So we have YouTube kung saan niyo ako napapanood. So YouTube is one of the top video streaming apps. You can upload or view a file with a maximum size of 128 gig, ang laki, or 12 hours and does not restrict the number of videos you can upload in your registered YouTube account. YouTube stands as the second largest search engine next to Google. So, if you wish to promote your brand or earn money, it's a great tool to do so. At ayun nga, so thank you sa inyo sa kakapanood nyo ng YouTube ko. So, thank you rin kapag hindi kayo nag-skip kasi kahit paano nag-earn din ako habang wala akong work. And then, we have ito na, LinkedIn. LinkedIn is an app suitable for professionals throughout the world. It is simply for users to get improved by themselves and their businesses. Users can gather information about companies, industries, and institutions by following their LinkedIn page. Ito, meron din ako nito. So, maganda siya kapag naghahanap ka ng work. Especially pag ibang bansa, maganda dito. Kaya kung more of IT ka, engineering, or any other professional work, dito ka sa LinkedIn gumawa na account. Ito yung sikat na sikat ngayon. We have TikTok. So TikTok is mainly focusing on video sharing social media app. It has beat the record of Instagram and Facebook with a higher number of downloads in 2018. TikTok has recently acquired Musical.ly, another video sharing application. So sa ngayon, ito na talagang medyo sumisikat. Kaya lang medyo natatakot yung ibang matao kasi galing daw itong China. Pero kahit galing siya China, parang ako may TikTok account ako pero hindi ako gumagawa nito. Hindi ako sumasayaw-sayaw pero I enjoy watching the videos na created by TikTok influencers daw. Ayan. Okay, for number 8, we have Snapchat. Snapchat has gained the attention of millions with a unique feature of self-destruction snaps. The photos, videos, or messages disappear after a few seconds. Kaya pala siya nag-self-destruction. So, the first app to incorporate the stories option which gained popularity in other popular apps like Instagram and Facebook. Ayan. Dito sa Pilipinas, medyo alam ko sumikat siya. Kaya lang, medyo naglaylo rin siya kasi because of TikTok. Pero in US, alam ko mabenta ito Snapchat, lalo na sa mga celebrities. Number 9, WeChat. WeChat is basically a messaging app that now allows the users to call, message, shop online, make online transactions, booking taxis, etc. This app is being popular in China and some parts of Asia. Alam ko ang WeChat, parang terms of payment yan sa China. Dito sa Pilipinas, I don't know kung medyo sikat pa siya ngayon. Alam ko dati meron ako nito pero hindi na ako makapag-login kaya binura ko na lang siya. And then, for number 10, we have the Pinterest. Ito, enjoy akong gamitin ito kasi nakakainggit yung mga nakikita ko dito pictures. So, Pinterest is a major player in the social media world for sharing infographics content. That proves how important visual content is. Kasi nga, puro picture siya, di ba? It is the quickest standalone mobile app that has touched millions of monthly users, which made it a massive influencer. Having the presence of Pinterest can help you make your brand stay in the minds of customer. Kasi nga kapag may Pinterest, di ba, kapag naghanap ka ng idea, for example, kahit bahay, damit, dito ka makakita sa Pinterest. Okay, so that's it for my topic, and that's it for trends and networking. So, tapos na tayo ngayon. So, again, thank you very much sa lahat ng mga nanood ng video ko. Sana may nakuha kayo, may natutunan kayo, and also for my co-teachers na humingi ng copy ng PowerPoint ko, sana malaking tulong na naibigay ito sa inyo. So, kung meron pa rin kayong mga co-teachers ko na gustong humingi ng PowerPoint, just huwag kayong mahiya na mag-i-message ako. So, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. And then, if you are new to my channel, please like and also, please subscribe and also hit the notification bell. Okay, so I will see you again kapag meron ako mga bagong topics. Bye-bye!